Aussie dollar daily forecast March 22nd, FXEmpire.com. The Australian dollar pair fell most of the session on Wednesday to test the area of the 104 handle. The 104 level is not only a round number, but it is also the 38.2 of the recent up move. On top of that, it is the site of a breakout from a daily triangle that actually goes farther than this chart that had broken out of in January. We are just now starting to retest this area for support after being resistant. So having said that, one would have to think that a lot of buyers are going to step in at this point. The daily candle is more of a doji and a little less of a hammer than we would like to see, but nonetheless, it does have to be said that it did bounce pretty hard towards the end of the session. The Chinese, of course, will be the outlier for the Aussie dollar, as the Australian economy is so dependent on the Chinese. And recent comments out of an executive from BHP Billiton suggested that perhaps the Chinese would be buying less ore, and markedly so. While that may or may not be the truth, one would have to think that the Aussie has sold off pretty hard since then, and perhaps a few errant comments may have moved the market a little farther than justified. We're comfortable with buying at these levels, although if we close well below the 104 level, we would have to admit our mistake at that point and step out of the way of the market.